Hello everyone, this is Afri Design Studios. In today's video tutorial, we are going to learn how to increase or decrease the scale of your hatch pattern. Now, when you look at this cross section on the screen, this was a job I did previously for some years past. Now, I normally use the solid fill to fill up my foundation wall and my concrete footing or concrete slab. All right, I normally do this because whenever I use the Revit hatch pattern, I discover that there are so much space in between the various components in the pattern. As a result of this, when I print the drawing, it becomes so faint. It is not that sharp. So I now figured out that I have to start using the solid fill so that whenever I print out the drawing, it is going to be sharp. All right. So, but recently I learned that you can actually increase the scale or reduce the scale of the hash pattern to suit what you need it for. So that is what we're going to learn in this video. But how do you start? The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are on the appropriate view. In this case, on the cross-section view. How do you locate the cross-section view? You simply go to Project Browser, then scroll down to your cross-section. Currently, we are using cross-section 2. Just double-click on it. The view is going to appear. Once it has appeared, all right. But before I continue, I want to delete this. Let's just assume there is nothing here already. Let's just assume there is nothing here already. Then delete this. Let's assume this place is empty. We are just in the process. We are just drawing. Now, the next thing you are going to do after bringing out the view or after bringing out the view where you are working is to go to Annotate. Click on Annotate. Come down to Region. Click on the little arrow. Select Field Region. Then come here. Select Pick Lines. And zoom down here. Click on this line. Click on this very line. Click on this line. And click on this very line. Then go to your trim tool. Use the trim tool to trim them up. Click on this place and click on this. Click on this and click on this. You have succeeded in creating the boundaries of your concrete. The next thing you are going to do is to come here. Here you have field region. Click on this space. Then look around here to see if there is concrete, but there is none. Then go back here and click here. Come down to Edit Type, click on Edit Type, and come here where you have sand. Click on the empty space by the right hand side and click on the three dots. Then it's going to bring you here. Scroll down or up to see if you can see the concrete symbol. Then here it is. I click on the concrete. Then I'm going to hit OK and OK. All right. Then I will come here, finish edit mode. Click on it. Then I'm going to come to modify. By the top left corner, click on it to end the command. Now you have ended the command. So you can see this gap here. I don't like it. I don't like this gap. But you're not going to appreciate what I'm talking about but until I use it on this very one. Let's use this as our case study. Then go back to Annotate, go back to Region, click on the little arrow, click on this, then pick this line, pick this line, pick this line, pick this line. All right. Then go here, click here, and scroll to see if you can see the concrete here. The concrete is still not here. Click back here and go to edit type. Click on this empty space by the right. Click on the three dots and select concrete and click here. Okay. Okay. Then finish. Go to modify to end the command. Now look at what I mean. You can see this empty space here and look at the few items represented. I don't like this. When you print this drawing on the paper, it is going to look as if there was no hash pattern in this place at all. So for us to make it compacted, we are going to select it again, select it and come here, click on edit type. Then what you're going to do next is click on this space and click on these three dots, and instead of clicking on the concrete, click on edit fill region, edit fill pattern. Then come here, import scale. On the import scale, click on the space by the right hand side and input the value you want. Currently we have 1.0, but I want us to make it 0.5. Let's see. 0.5, that is half of the original scale. Then click OK, click OK again, click OK again, then click on modify. Now you can see it has filled up the entire space. This is not the scale we're looking for. All right, so we're going to go back. Perhaps the scale is too small. Let's increase it to 0.6. Okay, let's use tab to locate this. Then we select it. After selecting it, come back to edit type, click here, come back to edit, click on edit and make this 0.6 and hit OK, and hit OK again and hit another OK. Now you can see it is far better than what we had before. Now click on modify to end the command. All right, so it is far better than what we have before now. So if you want to also fill this space as the brick walk or the brickwork, you can also do the same thing. So how do you do that? You go to annotate again, go to region, click on the little arrow, click on fill region. All right, then come here, click here to see if you can see the block, the brick work. It is not here. Click back here and click on edit type, click on this empty space, click on the three dots, then look for brickwork. This is brickwork. I click on this brickwork, then I click OK. I click OK again. All right, then I'm going to hit finish. Something is not right. Okay, I have not done the sketching. Okay, so I have to do the sketching first. So I click on pick lines, pick this line, 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 and this one and this. Then I'm going to use the trim to trim them all. To trim them all. Then I'm going to hit finish. Then I'm going to hit modify. But if you take a look at this, the concrete footing has also changed to brickwork. How do you separate the two designs? You separate them by simply duplicating one of them. So let's select this, the concrete, and go to edit type. Come here and click on the three dots and select concrete. Sorry, before we do that, sorry, cancel. Let's cancel this. You first have to duplicate. Click on duplicate. Then you can call this concrete. All right, then click OK. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on the empty space click on the three dots and look for concrete. Click on concrete and click OK, and click OK again and click modify. So you can see we have the different patterns. So when you print this drawing, it is going to be sharper than the original scale. By the way, you can also reduce the scale of the brickwork if you wish to. All right, so thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, just give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and also recommend Afri Design Studios, because we make videos like this every single day. Thank you for watching.